There's a phrase engraved on the emerald tablet over 5,000 years ago that explains why some people attract money like a magnet and others repel it. As above, so below. As within, so without. Hermes Trismegistus, the legendary Egyptian sage that some say was Thoth himself, the god of wisdom, left 7 Hermetic principles that govern the universe. And the first one, the principle of correspondence, is the master key to unlocking financial prosperity. Because if you understand that your external world is always a perfect reflection of your internal world, you'll stop trying to change the money out there and start transforming the energy in here. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to apply this ancient Hermetic wisdom to materialize abundance. Ready for this alchemical journey? Let's start by understanding what as above, so below really means. Hermes was talking about 3 levels of reality: the spiritual plane, above, the mental plane, middle, and the physical plane, below. And he discovered there's a perfect correspondence between these 3 planes. What happens in the spiritual reflects in the mental, which manifests in the physical. It's a cascade of creation. Applied to money, it works like this. Your physical financial reality, how much money you have in the bank, is always a perfect reflection of your mental state, your beliefs about money, which in turn is a reflection of your spiritual state, your connection to universal abundance. So if you want to change the physical, you need to change the mental. And if you want to change the mental, you need to change the spiritual. Most people try to solve the problem at the wrong level. They look at an empty account and try to solve it on the physical plane. Work more, pick up side gigs, cut expenses. This might give temporary relief, but it never solves the root cause, because the cause is on the mental and spiritual plane. It's like trying to dry the floor while the faucet is running. You can mop all you want, but it's gonna stay wet. Now comes the deep part. As within, so without. This means your external world is a perfect mirror of your internal world. Everything you see around you, especially in the financial area, was created first inside you. Your beliefs about money, your emotional patterns, your fears, your limitations, all of this materialized out there. If you look around and see scarcity, it's because you have scarcity within. If you see opportunities, it's because you have internal abundance. And here's the power. When you change the inside, the outside changes automatically. No way around it. It's Hermetic law, it's universal law. It always works. And if you're digging this connection between ancient Hermeticism and modern finance, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to the channel because there's a lot more alchemical wisdom coming. Let's now go to the 7 Hermetic principles applied specifically to money. The first one you already know, correspondence. The second is mentalism. The all is mind, the universe is mental. This means everything starts in the mind. Your wealth or your poverty were created first as thought. Medieval alchemists understood this. They weren't literally trying to transform lead into gold. They were using it as a metaphor to transform poverty consciousness, lead, into wealth consciousness, gold. True alchemy was always mental and spiritual, not physical. Practical application. If everything is mental, then you have absolute power to recreate your financial reality by changing your mind. Not partially, not trying to think positive. Completely. Reformulating every belief, every pattern, every mental program related to money. Third principle, vibration. Nothing rests. Everything moves. Everything vibrates. In the Hermetic universe, everything is energy vibrating at different frequencies. Poverty is a low, dense frequency. Wealth is a high, light frequency. And you don't attract what you want, you attract what you vibrate. So if you want wealth but you vibrate fear, anxiety, scarcity, anger, envy, you're going to keep attracting poverty because those emotions are low frequencies. Now, if you vibrate gratitude, generosity, confidence, joy, peace, you automatically start attracting wealth. Because those emotions are high frequencies. And there's a crucial detail few people understand. You can't fake vibration. Your subconscious knows the truth. If you're repeating abundance, affirmations, but deep down you feel fear, you're vibrating fear, not abundance. The real vibration is what you feel, not what you say. Fourth principle, polarity. Everything is dual. Everything has poles. Everything has its pair of opposites. Wealth and poverty aren't separate things. They're opposite poles of the same thing, like heat and cold, which are different degrees of temperature, like light and darkness, which are different levels of illumination. And here's the Hermetic insight. You can transmute any pole into its opposite by changing the vibration. You don't need to destroy poverty and create wealth. You just need to move yourself along the scarcity-abundance pole. It's a frequency adjustment, not a battle. Practical application. Stop fighting against poverty. Fighting creates resistance, and resistance keeps you stuck to what you resist. Instead, simply start moving your consciousness toward the abundance pole. Little by little, degree by degree, you transmute poverty into wealth. Fifth principle, rhythm. Everything flows, out and in. Everything has its tides. In the Hermetic universe, everything moves in cycles. Summer and winter, day and night, waxing and waning moon. And finances also have natural rhythms. There'll be moments of expansion where money flows easily. There'll be moments of contraction where it seems like it dried up. And Hermetic wisdom isn't about avoiding the cycles, but understanding them and working with them. During high tide, you expand, invest, take risks. During low tide, you consolidate, save, prepare. The mistake most people make is panicking at low tide or getting arrogant at high tide. The Hermeticist knows that both are temporary and necessary. One feeds the other. Contraction creates the tension necessary for the next expansion. And look, if you're still here with me diving into this deep wisdom, go ahead and drop that like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. Sixth principle, cause and effect. Every cause has its effect. Every effect has its cause. In the Hermetic universe, nothing happens by chance. Everything has a cause. Your current financial situation isn't bad luck, isn't injustice, isn't the government's fault. It's the effect of previous causes, many of them mental and emotional. The good news? You can become cause instead of just being effect. Most people live as effect, reacting to what happens. But when you understand the Hermetic principle, you become cause, deliberately, creating the effects you want. How? By planting correct causes on the mental and spiritual plane. Every thought of abundance is a cause. Every emotion of gratitude is a cause. Every generous action is a cause. And all these causes will generate corresponding effects on the physical plane. It's law. Seventh principle, gender. Gender is in everything. Everything has its masculine and feminine principle. It's not about biological sex, it's about energies. The Hermetic masculine is active, projective energy that goes out and gets. The Hermetic feminine is receptive energy that attracts. In the financial area, you need both. Only masculine energy is working non-stop, forcing, struggling, but never receiving because you don't know how. Only feminine energy is visualizing, affirming, waiting, but never acting. Real wealth comes from balance. You act, masculine, and receive, feminine. You plant, masculine, and harvest, feminine. You create value, masculine, and allow abundance to enter, feminine. Now let's go to the maximum application of as above, so below for money. There are 3 powerful Hermetic exercises I'm going to give you. First, 3 planes meditation. Every day, you're going to sit and consciously go through the 3 levels. Start with the physical. Observe your current financial situation without judgment. Then rise to the mental. Identify the beliefs that created this physical reality. and then rise to the spiritual. Connect with the infinite source of universal abundance. In that spiritual connection, you receive new information that descends to the mental, reprogramming beliefs, which manifest new physical reality. Second, correspondence alignment. Grab a paper and draw 3 columns: spiritual, mental, physical. In the spiritual column, write universal truths about abundance. The universe is infinitely abundant. Abundance is my natural state. In the mental column, write the beliefs you need to have to correspond with the spiritual. I am a channel of abundance. Money flows to me easily. And in the physical column, write actions that correspond with the mental. I invest in myself. I seek opportunities. You're creating conscious correspondence between the 3 planes. And when all 3 are aligned, manifestation is instantaneous. It's like aligning the numbers on a safe. When they align, it opens. Third, Hermetic inversion. Hermes taught that masters could invert the principle. So instead of as within, so without, they used as without, so within. How? By deliberately changing the external environment to reprogram the internal. You organize your wallet, arrange your finances, treat money with respect on the physical level. And this sends a signal to your mental and spiritual. I am an organized and prosperous person. The external reprograms the internal. It's reverse alchemy. So let's recap the Hermetic wisdom for money. As above, so below. Everything physical was created first in the mental and spiritual. As within, so without. Your external reality is a perfect mirror of the internal. The 7 principles. Mentalism gives you power to create. Vibration teaches you the right frequency. Polarity shows you its transmutation, not fight. Rhythm prepares you for cycles. Cause and effect makes you a conscious creator. And gender balances you between action and reception. This isn't theory. It's the foundation of all creation in the universe. Medieval alchemists, Jewish Kabbalists, Egyptian masters, Indian yogis, all arrived at the same truths through different paths, and everyone who applied these Hermetic laws prospered. Here's my Hermetic challenge for you. For the next 40 days, sacred number of transformation, you're going to practice the 3 planes meditation every day. Just 10 minutes. You rise from physical to mental to spiritual, receive the information, and descend back reprogrammed. And every day, before bed, you write 1 line in each column of the correspondence. Alignment. Spiritual, mental, physical. You're literally building a bridge between the planes. After 40 days, come back here and comment what changed. I want to know what Hermetic synchronicities appeared in your life. If you want more content about Hermeticism, alchemy, Kabbalah, and ancient wisdom applied to finances, I've got a complete playlist here on the channel. It's all there, from the Emerald Tablet to modern practical applications. Drop that, like if this video opened your mind to a deeper dimension of prosperity. Subscribe to the channel to keep receiving wisdom that spans millennia. Turn on notifications to be notified when I drop more financial alchemy. And share this with that person who's ready to understand the universal laws of wealth. Comment below which Hermetic principle resonated most with you. Correspondence, vibration, polarity, or another one? I want to know which insight hit hard. And remember Hermes's phrase, "The lips of wisdom are closed, except to the ears of understanding." If you made it this far, it's because you have ears to understand. You're a seeker of truth. And the Hermetic truth is, you always had the power to create wealth. You just didn't know you had it. As above, so below. As within, so without. Change your interior, and your exterior has no choice but to change too. It's law, it's spiritual science, it's consciousness alchemy. Thank you so much for staying here with me on this Hermetic journey. I'll see you in the next video, already aligned between the planes, already vibrating abundance. Until then, may Hermes illuminate your path to prosperity.